Hi, guess what just arrived? This package was meant to come like at least 6 months ago, but there was an issue and it had to be resent. So I'm so happy it's here. And let's see who it's from. Nail Reserve. You have no idea how excited I am. I've been waiting for these polishes for so long and now they're here. Let's get to swatching. I actually made the choice of these colors last year, so I actually can't wait to see what I picked and how it looks in person. Now, when it comes to the consistency of the polish, it's on the lighter side, which I appreciate because sometimes I really want a thick polish and sometimes I want a lighter, looser polish, and this is definitely on the looser side. So the consistency is just very creamy and just lovely. And like the most important thing about these polishes is that they smell so yummy. Like I don't know how to explain it, almost like a vanilla, strawberry-ish, just very yummy. That's the best way I can explain it. So yeah, I had so much fun with these polishes. I even did another set right after this. So it was like 2 videos back to back, and that video is going to be coming out next. It's like a completely different set. I've never done nails like that before. Like I was so nervous, but came out so cute. And I used the dark pink glitter polish for that one, and it's like a Hello Kitty type nail, like Y2K junk nail. Like you guys, you need to see the next video. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Now I picked the matte top coat because at the time I didn't have a matte top coat and I really love it. It has a very nice velvety finish.
The dash is edgy, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing it too.
Okay, for this set, I'm going to be doing the Gel X method, which is just full cover tips and polishes. So I'm going to let you guys watch my application and my prep process, and I'll talk to you guys when we're doing like the nail art and stuff. I'll speak to you guys soon.
Shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing it tussies. But for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby that going crazy. Weezy produced it and Weezy have made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Young Money Records, the Army, the Navy. They ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. Foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trusted my they never betray me. Met all these they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my favor, cause nobody said.
Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I do, you can go leave. Got M's in the back, like yes, indeed. Cardiac glasses, I won't even peek at you. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got him waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna be what I do, tryna steal my moves. 2,500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same price I can make them youngins come and finish you. Know you been charged, yeah, do it like a dude. Real dope boy, 100,000 in the video. President's attention, I power, I don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like I'm from the 80s, man, straight about the drop, man. Don't go crazy, they know I'm the truth. Coming straight from the basement, I'm straight as a street, man. I'm coming from the basement. I'm me and the hunters, you make them go crazy. Wham, 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 on the baby. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I do, you can come leave. Got M's in the back, like yes, indeed.
Now, as much as I love this polish, Royal Nude, I did think it was a bit too light for the design I wanted to do. So I decided to go in with this gel polish and I put it on top of it just to make the tone a bit darker and more natural. Now after curing, I'm going to take my buffer and I'm going to buff the shine and the gloss away from the nude polish because I do plan to use a chrome and I don't want the chrome to stick to this gloss. Now I'm going in with Firefly for the French and I'm only going to use one coat of it because I'm going to cover it with a chrome powder. But if I was going to use just Firefly, I would have done 2 coats. I'm going to be using my Born Pretty chrome powders that I bought on Amazon. I actually unboxed and swatched it on YouTube Shorts. And I'm going in with Hollow powder because I love the rainbow holographic effect it has. Now because Firefly is a glitter powder, it did have a bit of texture, which is why the mirror and rainbow effect didn't really show on the holographic powder. So what I did is I put a layer of top coat over the French and then I put the chrome powder. Now I tried to use a little hack that I saw on like TikTok, I believe. And the hack was to get the best out of your chrome powders, you're meant to only cure the base polish for like half the time, but that didn't work. So next time I'm going to do the full 60-second cure. But if you look at the thumb and the index, you can see it actually did work, but like my other 3 fingers, it didn't show the like rainbow effect. But that is not a big deal. I love how the nails turned out anyways. I'm using my Savilan top coat because this is the thickest top coat I have, and I love to use it to adhere my rhinestones, especially like the bigger charms. Now the placement of the rhinestones and like the nail art and charms and stuff is completely freestyle. I literally didn't know what I was going to do. I was just letting my creative juices flow. So yeah, friends, this is the final look. Let me know what you think. I absolutely love these nails, and you know what I love even more? My Nail Reserve polishes. So thank you so much, Nail Reserve, for sending me these polishes. I absolutely love them. Like I said earlier, I actually did another set of nails right after this one because I was so excited to use the dark pink glitter polish, and those nails came out so cute. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, guys. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.